Hey there, Sugar Plums. Welcome to Grow Together with Eve. My name is Evelyn, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to take a teacher planner and turn it into a faith planner. Before we get started, I want to say hi to those of you who are joining me for the first time. Welcome and hello. As I said before, my name is Evelyn, and on this channel, I seek to share with you different tools and experiences that I've had to help you make better decisions, resulting in better outcomes. We do a little bit of planning, we talk about lifestyle, and a couple of DIYs. This one is definitely going to be a mixture of lifestyle and DIY. All right, let's get into the fun. I am using the Happy Planner for my current setup. I've added a couple of snappy and hard covers. I am using expander metal disc for this planner as it kind of gets chunky as I'm going through it. So inside I have an old Happy Planner Faith Warrior cover. One thing I definitely love about the Happy Planner system is any planners that you've used in the past can go with you into the next year. I have right here in the front sharing cards, which I've used to kind of remind myself of certain scriptures. So I have this tab right here for my prayer journal. And I've labeled out my tabs here. So that's kind of what I'm going through currently. The next section is a folder. And I just like keeping folders in some planners for just slipping certain things in there. This one is one of them. Here is my beginning page for this planner. And I have been keeping 3 to 4 months at a time in this planner just so I can go back, look at certain scriptures, to either memorize them or meditate on them. So that's what's in the beginning section of this planner. I have used the planner and a happy notes to kind of create this faith planner here for me. So big shout out to Happy Planner. This was actually gifted to me while I was on the Happy Planner squad, and some of these items can still be found if this might be something that you want to do in 2021 or even right now, and I'll link that down in the description as well. So the next section I have are sermon notes. So this is what I've been utilizing this year when we were attending church face to face, and then even during the time that we were watching on YouTube or Facebook. And today was actually our first time going back to church, and I used just the notes to take with me to service. This was my vision board for faith in 2020. And then the next section is spiritual disciplines. I have to let you know that the most use that this section got out from me was really scripture writing. I wasn't too sure how I was going to use it, and I do like how that has ended up coming about. And that is my current setup.
Now let's talk future setup, and let's talk about your shopping experience. Oh, did you catch that haul last week, by the way? I'm going to put it in the card up above. But remember this teacher planner? Yes, such a great deal on it. And I'm sure you shop and you see clearance planners. Well, I'm here to help you out. First, you take out the previous months because we don't want to feel like we wasted those. We take those dividers, those monthly dividers, and repurpose them. Find another divider back that you like, cut up the first tab, and then adhere it with some glue. You can change the wording on your divider, as I did here, to make it more purpose for whatever theme you have. And I enjoy doing this because then you have like a more cohesive design throughout your planner. So now all of my dividers really kind of fit in this style. If you have black tabs, you just need some tan or white stickers to write over. Now, personally, I love using my labeler. You've seen this in a different video if you hang out with me a lot. If not, you can find one of these labelers at Target, Walmart, Amazon. They are really great. I am going to cut it down a little bit to size so that it fits nicely over that sticker that I placed on the tabs already. And there you have it. There's my tab. DIY done. Let's look at 2021 faith setup and a spread.
First, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and use snap-in hardcovers for this as well. This hardcover is still available on the Happy Planner website. It is considered a big, and it is currently on sale for $27.99. I really enjoy the hardcovers. I will tell you, definitely, if you're going to snap them into metal disc, you want to be careful because they will split or crack. So, but this combination of metal disc and the snap-in hardcover has been something that I really enjoy because I really feel like it's durable and it keeps my plastic covers from getting tons of scratches on them. So I've snapped in the hardcover and the cover to this planner onto rose gold disc. And then I decided that I wanted to have that same prayer journal section in the front and put some dotted line paper in there.
And this next section is just the monthly section. I'll do 3 to 4 months at a time as I did before to allow room for notes or insert of half sheets for prayers and praises, things of that nature. This next section is for sermon notes, just as I had in my last year setup, extra pages back there for that. And then I've put in dividers that I can possibly use either to extend out the planner or for any other sections that I think of later. I hope this is helpful. I'm going to go ahead and show you that spread in a second. But thought this would be useful in case you guys are checking out that Happy Planner $7.99 planner spread that went on not too long ago.
That's how I've set up the teacher edition Happy Planner to get it ready to be a faith planner. But wait, before you go, I'm going to show you a spread at the end of this video so you can get a full view of how I plan on utilizing it week by week. I can tell you from experience, I have used a teacher edition Happy Planner as a teacher. Prior, I was a preschool teacher when I only had 3 littles. Well, we'll get into that another time. But I utilized the teacher edition planner vertically. Definitely saw a prior squad member recommend that, and I ran with it. Once I saw that this was the best for being a teacher of little children, it kind of got tedious flipping my planner over when I tried to use it the way that the layout is formulated. So I decided vertical would be a better way for me to do my day than the horizontal side to side. Anyways, I hope you like this spread. So as you can see here, I've left 2 boxes for the scripture of the day, and I am pulling the scripture of the day from either YouVersion or the first 15 mostly. And I've left 2 boxes because sometimes I need a little bit more space to write out a scripture. Then I've decided that I would like to kind of pay attention or look at scriptures through the fruits of the Spirit. I'll put that scripture here, just in case you've not seen it before. Okay, so I've just kind of tried to categorize out the scripture after I've read it to see kind of what fruit of the Spirit I feel like it identifies with, and write a little bit of note of that for myself. Next, you see prayers and praises. So instead of having a separate gratitude journal, I left 2 sections for this too, because some days, to be honest, there's a lot that I can see I am grateful for, and some days I have a little time looking for the good. So I thought this would be a great way for me to do it all in one spot. And either if I don't do it at the end of the day, it's definitely something that I can do the next morning as I'm writing out the scripture. So this is that spread, this is that layout, and this is how I plan on utilizing this planner from January to July of 2021. Now, if it changes, you know your girl will leave you a video so you can see what I'm doing, in hopes that it will help you with your planner layout, planner setups, all the things. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I really hope that you found some helpful nuggets in watching the setup of this teacher planner go or get ready to be a faith planner for 2021. If you enjoyed this video, please don't hesitate to hit the like button. That really helps me know if you found this useful and if I should continue to do videos of this nature. If you really have some ideas or any fun, sweet comments that you like to put down below, feel free to do that in the comments box down below. If you haven't seen, I do like showcasing a couple of comments in the end of my videos. This is just my way of saying to you, thank you so much for taking out the time to share your thoughts with me and others in our community. So make sure that you stay tuned for that at the end of this video. And again, thanks so much for hanging out. I really do hope that you have some nuggets to make better decisions, resulting in better outcomes. And as usual, continue to gather and grow. Bye, guys.